I'm gonna have to deal with this anyway, still. So today we have here my W211 E63, and I'm here to replace my steering angle sensor. So I got this off eBay for $100. It comes with a steering angle sensor, the clock spring, and pretty much everything that you need on it. So all I'm gonna have to do is just take these off. As you can tell, it's already open, and I'll take this bolt off, the lug nut, take it off, pull the whole thing out, and just replace it with this, so the ESP light and the SRS light can go off. So let's get to it. That's what I said. Let's get to it. So let's get to it. Let's get to it, buddy. All right, easy said and done. And pull it out. If I do anything, so turn that off, and what do I need? Don't worry, so I ain't the one to tell you what tools to use, cause bro, I ain't the one to tell you what tools to use. That's not me. I'm the wrong dude. I just love working without having to say much. So if you're watching, just keep your eyes on what I'm doing. If you have any questions, you ask me later, because I love working without having to say a word. It's a waste of time. So yeah, I hope you just watch and enjoy what is going on, you know. So gotta lock it up, you know. You have to lock this side up. Alright, so I need to grab something to cut this off there. Voila, that's what we found. So we can tie this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. Let me just line it up with the marks on it. So that's how it's going to be. And this goes here. So I have this new bolt that I got. So we put in a new bolt in. No more using of the old one. But that's hard enough. Sorry, buddy. Let's go. So, what is next? Actually, let me take the key out. What is next? Is this. Alright. So it's gotta go this way, y'all. This goes here. And it's right in place. And let's see. This here because the sun is out. Oh, let me squeeze that ball. So it's time to tighten this side too. Sorry. Yep, I got it. Actually, it's been over a month since I drove without my steering airbag on, and also with the ESP light on, and when it comes on it can't even drift, which is something I love doing once in a while, but traction gets fucked up. Sorry for saying that, but it is the truth. Okay, so let's see. Oh yep, the ESP light went off. It went off. So all we have to do is reset the SRS light. So SRS light. It's about to be off. Alright, we're doing one thing at a time, you know. So sorry, old man, but you would have to do something different, you know. Something different. I've seen clear. So also 26. That's line. Oh, no back. E63 AMG. So we about to get it off. Shit's about to be up. SRS. Clear. For yes, sir.